Okay, I'm going to call this, I guess, the front side. I really don't know what side's which because they both have front entrances, or entrances to the building rather. Anyhow, facing the front here, you come in off of this road over here and you come around this part. The second skylight to the right is leaking. We need to reflash it and then seal these gaps in the metal and around the glass with clear. All this needs to be taken up, ice and water shielded, and new flashing, or rather ice shield flashing, and then put it all back together, the flashing kit. The one skylight to the left of it, the first one, has a shingle missing right at the very top. It's going to be leaking, if not already. Okay, the same side of roof, there's a couple caps missing right there in the ridge where it's leaking. Okay, same side behind the 4 skylight facing it. There's several shingles missing here. More black will work on here. This is right near the ridge, and more caps are blown out right above it. Right there. Okay. Same side roof down the bottom here, or the center rather. The pipe collar is completely disintegrated and leaking. You can see that it's wide open here. Right there, all the way around it. Here's the front of it. This whole pipe collar is bad. Okay, once again, 3 tab Mori black. We're also going to give a new roof estimate. I need to check the caps over here. These caps are all on. However, we do need to seal these nail heads at the far end of the ridge. This pipe collar is on wrong, needs to be redone. I'm sure it's leaking from where it's cracked. It's got nails through. Somebody put this on wrong. There's the nails through the roof. I don't know what they're thinking here. And here's where it's all cracked. So that's 2 pipe collars. That's one on the opposite side of the roof. And it looks like all the shingles are on from here. Also, we need to, this is the first dormer on the same side as the skylight. We need to replace this shingle because there's a big nail coming right through the roof, right behind the caps. 2 of them. So we need to replace those shingles right behind that first dormer facing the side. So, I believe that's all there is right now. Okay, so in a nutshell here, what we need to do is replace the shingle on the first dormer where the nails are coming through. We need to reflash the second skylight in from the left facing the building. We also need to replace the missing shingle on the first one on the left facing the same side. Replace the missing shingles on the same side at the ridge center of the roof right behind the 4th skylight. Also missing caps right at the top where in the same area. Missing caps also about probably 6 foot back, and also the pipe collar that's on the same side. That does this one side. And then on the opposite side, I'll call this the back side because it's the parking lot out here. That was the front side. The back side, we need to replace the pipe collar on this side because it's on wrong and leaking. And that seems to be everything for this one side. Everything else seems to be in order. And also we have to caulk the exposed nail heads on the far end. That's the front entrance as you're coming in. That's the end of the ridge where that exposed nail heads are.